Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run paired t-test in KNIME. So for this, we will go in KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate the CSV reader node as my dataset is in CSV format. I'll double click on it so that I can browse my file. So the dataset name is score. Press open and then apply, click OK. Now right click on it and execute. As soon as the node turns green, we are in the position to extract the information from this node. Again, right click on it and click on file table. Now you can see here that we are having the scores of the students, that is the initial score and final score. Let us say the score of the students before the workshop of KNIME and after the workshop of KNIME. So what is our null hypothesis? The null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in score of students. There is the knowledge of KNIME before and after the workshop of KNIME. Alternative is there is significant difference in score of students before and after the workshop. Now how we can do this? How we can compare this? Let's see. We'll go in KNIME Analytics platform and we'll activate paired t-test from here. Double click on it. Again, right click on it and configure. We want to compare the initial score with the final score. Press apply, click OK. Right click on it and press execute. Now again right click on it and activate paired t-test. You can see that the results are ready. I have simply copied this in my Word file. We have to see the p-value. What will be our interpretation? As the p-value of the paired t-test is less than 5% of level of significance, we reject the null hypothesis, which means that the scores of the students are significantly different before and after the workshop. How much is the difference? For that, again, we'll go back in KNIME, right click on it and click on descriptive statistics. So this is a mean before the workshop and this is a mean after the workshop. So what will be the interpretation? The mean score after the workshop is 7.667 and before the workshop it was 6.333, which means that the difference is there and the workshop is successful. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos on KNIME.